So the tomatoes are ripe. We know it because they're turning this like bright red. If you've ever eaten a tomato, they're red, right? We fry the green tomatoes, there's a use there. But these red tomatoes, we really like to use them for sauce, slice them, put them on sandwiches. That's why we have different varieties, like the San Marzano. Those are really great sauce tomatoes. That's the traditional marinara sauce tomato. These are much better for slicing on sandwiches. But they're ripe. You see we have so many, the cherry tomatoes next door to me. We've got so many. It's time to get to work and process them so that we can add value for the things that we want to eat down at the house. A vine like this goes great in a pan with some eggs and like as an omelet or something, but they're really excellent to just eat raw too. We like them in salad. They're just great all the way around. The great thing about these cherry tomatoes is you can eat them right off the vine. No pesticides, they're great. A lot of the tomatoes that you're buying in the store, they're sprayed with pesticides and they were picked green and ripened in transit. Not these, not us.